online class. In the previous class, we studied how to write the numerals and number names according to the Hindu Arabic system. And we solved exercise 1.1 question number 1 and 2. Okay. Now today we are starting with exercise 1.1 question 3. The question is, observe the pattern and write the next two numbers. Here some numbers are given. We have to observe the numbers carefully and write the next two numbers. Before this, I am giving you one simple example. Here large numbers are given, so I am giving one simple example first. Okay, you used to do skip counting in the lower classes. How did you used to do? Suppose numbers are given like 5,960, then 10,960, then 15,960. And suppose you have to write the next number here. So how did you used to think? See, here which place is changing? Thousands place. Here it is. If you read the numbers loudly, then you will be able to understand it, that which place is changing, which period is changing. So see, it is 5,960, then 10,960, then 15,960. So from here to here we have to go, from first number to second number. What are we adding? 5,000. 5,960 plus 5,000 will be 10,960, then 15,960. So to get the next number, again we should add 5,000. So the next number will be 20,960. Okay. So in the same way we have to do skip counting. The difference is that here smaller numbers are there and here the numbers are large. But the method is same. Okay. Now see. In this question, 4 parts are there. We will solve 2 parts here, we will discuss, and remaining 2 you should try. See, I have written here C1. Now I have put the commas also. As I told you, it is very useful to put the commas. If you put the commas, then you will be able to read the number very easily. So this is 1,46,12,587. Next number is 5,46,12,587. Next is 9,46,12,587. So now, are you able to think which place or which period is changing here, and which places and which periods are same? See, here it is 1 crore, here 5 crore, and here 9 crore. Difference is coming only in the crores period, and remaining periods, remaining places are same. Okay, that means only crores period we have to change. Now see the difference. Here 1 crore, 5 crore, and then 9 crore. So how much is the difference here between two numbers? Difference is of 4 crore. 1 plus 4, 5, and 5 plus 4, 9. So to get the next number, again we should add 4 to the crores place. 1 crore, 5 crore, 9 crore. So next should be 13 crore. Okay, 9 plus 4 is 13. So next should be 13 crore, and remaining numbers, remaining digits will be same. So it will be 13 crore 46 lakh 12,587. Okay, then one more number we have to write. Now to 13 crore again we will add 4 crore. 13 plus 4 is 17. So next number will be 17 crore 46 lakh 12,587. Understood? This is C1 which we have done. Now see D1 also. In D1 also I have put the commas. Now you see. Read the numbers loudly to get the difference. You will get very easily. This is 26 crore 85 lakh 76,408. Okay. Next is 26 crore. You can see crores place is same. 26 crore, 26 crore. 26 crore 90 lakh. Here it was 85 lakh and here it is 90 lakh. 26 crore 90 lakh 76,408. Next number is 26 crore 95 lakh 76,408. So you can see clearly here that lakhs period is changing. Here it is 85 lakh, 90 lakh, and here 95 lakh. Okay. And remaining digits are same. Remaining periods are same. That means change is to be made in lakhs period only. Now see how much is the difference. Here 85 lakh then 90 lakh. Now 85 plus what is 90? 5. Okay, so difference is of 5 lakh. 85 lakh, then 90 lakh, and then 95 lakh. So difference is of 5. Now to get the next number, what should we do? We should add 5 lakh here because difference is of 5 lakh. Now to this number, if you add 5 lakh, then what will you get? You will get 27 crore 76,408. Some students may get this number directly and some may have some confusion. So those who have confusion, what should they do? Here you can add 5 lakh. In the rough column, to this number you can add 5 lakh. Say I am doing in rough column here. Suppose this is only the rough column. So I am adding 5 lakh. Okay, to this number you will add 5 lakh. So you will get 8, 0, 4, 6, 7. 5 plus 5, 10. Carry 1, 7, and here 2. So this is the number that you will get. Okay, so if any confusion is there, you can use the rough column. Now this number we have got. Now to get the next number, again we will add 5 lakh. This is 27 crore 76,408. Again if you add 5 lakh here, then to this place 5 will be added. So it will become 27 crore 5 lakh 76,408. Understood? If such large numbers are there, some students, as I told, you can do directly. But if any doubt is there, then you should add in the rough column and you can check it one time. Okay? So this is how to do the skip counting. Okay? You have to read the numbers carefully first and then see which period is changing, where we have to make the changes. And it is not always addition only, like in these two parts we have added to get the next number. It can be subtraction also. Okay, so you should read the numbers carefully and understand what is the rule. Okay? Yes. Now we are starting with question number 4. Question 4 is, write the successor of each of the following. Now this concept is very old, all of you know it already. Okay, you know how to find the successor and predecessor of any number. Successor means the number that comes after. Like, what comes after 20? 21. So 21 is called the successor of 20. And 20 comes before 21. So 20 is called the predecessor of 21. To get the successor, you have to do plus 1. You have to write the next number. And to get the predecessor, you have to do minus 1. You have to get the previous number. Okay? Now see, these numbers are given. As I told you, we have to first of all put commas. I put the commas here. 3 places, 2 places, 2 places, and remaining 1. Now, what is the number? 1 crore 32 lakh 54,654. We have to write its successor, means we have to write the next number. What will come after it. So you only need to see this much. This is 654. After 654, what comes? 655. So the answer will be, see, one more thing. What some students do, they put is equal to sign and then they write the successor, which is wrong. Because number and the successor are not equal. Here we are having 654. And in the successor we will be writing 655 and they are not same. So is equal to sign should not be put. You can put a dash, or in this way you can make 2 columns and you can write the answer. Okay? Now it is 1 crore. Here we have to add 1, 654, and the next will be 655. Remaining will be same. So 1 crore 32 lakh 54,000 and 654. So successor will be 655. Now see the next one. It is 8 crore 74 lakh 64,499. Again the same thing. What comes after 499? 500. So the answer will be 8 crore 74 lakh 64,500. Next number we are writing. So answer is 8 crore 74,64,500. This is the successor. See the next one now. 51 crore, 10 lakh, 10,200. What comes after 200? 201. Or if any doubt is there, you can simply do here +1 and you can get the answer. Those who are not getting it directly. Okay? You can do +1 also. So the answer is 51 crore, 10 lakh, 10,201. This is the successor. So we have seen how to get the successors of the given number. This is question number 4. Now you see question number 5 is given, in which you have to find the predecessors of the given number. So same way you have to make 2 columns and write the answers. And as I had told you, to get successor we have to do +1. We have to write the next number, and to get the predecessor you have to do -1. Means you have to write the previous number, whatever comes. Okay, so that question number 5, you must try yourselves. And in the next class we will start exercise 1.2.